So now, Nigeria, if I tell you what I hear here today, when NPC the carrots they go, we go suffer where this the suffer before we go realize what the apple is too late. Because if Dangote go extra mile to the level where we want go now, that means 2005 per liter we see the play. Because NPC don't make us understand. Don't tell Dangote say they don't make forward say until 2030. In short, as we speak, many tankers, you see many tankers going out. No product, no product. Trucks are going out. Trucks are going out. Come and see what is really going on in this refinery. No product again. But people don't know anything they go on. Now the painful thing is say this good oil where they suffer us like this. Now the right of every Nigerian citizen. Now we product, now we land, now we get this oil. This oil now 80 people will not supposed to suffer for oil. But some particular people just hold on, say now they get them. And they get to not be the problem. Now the suffer they take and take suffer because the way our fathers they suffer, we say go suffer, and our children say go suffer. Because as it goes now you go see say even Nigeria, you not feel like Nigeria go anywhere because they don't make us understand say more go fix our country. Now where they go be that. So this oil when they take they dance us up and down, now we own property. We need to face it and we need to get what belongs to us. Nigeria, you should wake up. We are not playing. You both should wake up. You both should wake up and be focused. Not be anybody will come and come fight for you. God not come down from heaven, come fight for us. We need to fight for ourselves because this thing is getting out of hand. The way when they take this oil and they punish us, it don't too much. We need to really fight it out. Now I'm heading to Dangote head office. See all the trailer. Look at. See them. Nothing is happening. Show them nothing. They're just giving our news. Nothing they happen. Come here and see with your eye. So that's just the truth. I'm going to the head office. So I'll keep you people updated to know where we are going to. Thanks.
I am a citizen of Nigeria. I am a citizen of this country. If I say I am tired of this country, where will I go? I have an NIN. I have an international passport of Nigeria. As a citizen of this country, the president is not representing Nigeria. The president is not representing the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Rather, he is representing the Federal Republic of himself and his family. We are dying. I'm in Abeokuta. I lost my home in Lagos and things were hard for me. I said, okay, make I come Abeokuta if life will be easy. Why are MTNs scamming us? All the tariffs are scamming us and Nigeria government are not doing anything about it. With Tinubu tell me that he's not subscribing. With Tinubu tell me that he's not seeing Nigeria hardship. With Tinubu tell me that Nigeria is okay. Nigerians are dying. Nigerians are dying. There is no work. There is no job opportunity. There is no good road. There is no water. There is nothing. Nothing has changed. Nothing is new. But they will go up there. They will go to the United States. They will fly over to the Canada. They will go to Australia. And they will say, Nigeria is okay. Nigeria is not okay. We are dying. All the network are scamming us. All the network are scamming us. All the network are scamming us. Tinubu should see it. We need help. There is no president in Nigeria. There is no president in the state. We are suffering. We are suffering. Nigeria is suffering. There is no food, no good road. Everything has changed. Nigeria is dying. Nigeria is dying. The government is scamming us. We cannot eat 3 square meals. There is no food. There is no job opportunity. There is no good road. There is no water. Nothing in the state. Even the internet does not want us to come online again. The government does not want us to talk our mind. They are killing us. They have increased tariff. They have increased tariff so that we cannot come online every minute. Network is scamming. You cannot subscribe and use it well. When you subscribe, they will collect your money. They are scamming us. What is EFCC doing about this? If an individual scam, EFCC go arrest them. If an individual scam, EFCC go arrest them. What are we doing? Why don't they arrest MTN? Why are MTN scamming us free? They are robbing us in Nigeria in everything. We cannot eat. There is no good road. We are dying. We need help. Nigeria 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 need help. We are dying, oh. We are dying, oh. We are dying. The government are not representing us. They are representing themselves and their family. They are not representing the Federal Republic of Nigeria. They are representing Federal Republic of Tinubu. Federal Republic of Tinubu. Federal Republic of Tinubu. Federal Republic of Tinubu. We are dying, oh. We are dying. Tinubu Sepe will not talk. Tinubu say if you talk, you die. Where is it in this constitution that you don't talk? If you talk, you die. Where is it that you don't talk? We cannot eat. We cannot eat 3 square meal. We are not surviving. There is no good road, no water, no job opportunity. You will go to school as a graduate. You cannot see job. If I ask some Okada here, they are graduates. They are driving Okada. Come on, Ghana. As a graduate, you work and earn 400,000. As a graduate, Nigeria. As a graduate, you earn 70,000. You earn 70,000. NYSC, 70,000. NYSC. And they are celebrating. They are dancing. They've not gone to any other country. They don't even want them to see the light. They are closing it against us. They don't want us to see it. The government are killing us. The government are killing us. If Tinubu continue, Nigeria will be no more. Tinubu is building an empty Nigeria. Tinubu is building an empty Nigeria. Tinubu is building an empty Nigeria. Nigeria is dying. There is no food in the state. There is no job opportunity. Tinubu is building an empty Nigeria. We cannot survive this. We cannot survive this. We are dying. We are dying. United States, Australia, Canada, come for our rescue. Nigerians are gonna. Nigerians are gonna. Nigerians are gonna. Nigerians are gonna, oh.
So now, Nigeria, if I tell you what I hear here today, when NPC the carrots they go, we go suffer where this the suffer before we go realize what they happen is too late. Because if Dangote go extra mile to the level where we want go now, that means 2005 per liter we see the play. Because NPC don't make us understand. Don't tell Dangote say they don't make forward say until 2030. In short, as we speak, many tankers, you see many tankers going out. No product, no product. Trucks are going out. Trucks are going out. Come and see what is really going on in this refinery. No product again. But people don't know it they go on. Now the painful thing is say this crude oil where they suffer us like this. Now the right of every Nigerian citizen. Now we product, now we land.